Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for all my Cancerian placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and another node. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Cancer, I have a channel song for you. I'm just waiting on Rogers to load his internet. Tum 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 tum, Cancer. Da-na-na-na-na, Cancer. Oh yeah. Oh, I miss those days, yeah. Oh, I miss those days, yeah. Remember the songs used to make us rock away. Those were the days when love used to reign, yeah. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again, and you did just the same, eh. Now I feel it in my heart. What is this summer sun? Now there's hardly any safe place left to go. Someone's bound to come and try to spoil the show. Patti LaBelle, Patti LaBelle used to make we drift away. Play Stevie, play Stevie, you're playing Stevie, Stevie Wonder is playing, he's fucking playing. Even Stevie Wonder could have rock away. It says that Stevie Wonder could rock away, so why the fuck are you still standing there in the club? I said one time I go one club, Cancer, and I won't lie, I seem like the boringest girl in the building. Now I will tell you why. Then bring me to an Afrobeats club. I'm not African. Now, while my ancestors were taken from Africa, brought to Jamaica during the slave trade and the sugar plantation era, yeah, so if you see me in one club and I stand up like my boring, it's because I don't know any African songs. They were playing Afrobeats. The only Afrobeats I know is Burna Boy. It's the only, and oh my God, why name him Sex in the Blood? Rima. You have other African beats too, but they were playing Afrobeats in the club. I don't know Afrobeats. I know Jamaican music, I know dancehall, I know reggae, okay? So, I don't know, maybe somebody want to bring us somewhere, but them feel like you're pouring a blood clot. Tell them to play your playlist. Last time I check, I went, listen, I must have blood clot. Black people, them a blood clot done me. Like how them done Bobby, I don't know girl him, the interview girl, when them bring a club and she stand up there. She don't know those ratchet musics. She not shaking her ass. She don't need to. She has other talents, right? Nevertheless, I went to a club and it was all white people, and the people them whom I go with, them asked the man to play Charlie Black's Party Animal, right? So I don't know when the black people are fucking tormenting you because you don't want to dance to their Afrobeats music. You don't come from Africa. Wow, my gorgeous African queen. I would love some fufu. I want fufu too. I'm not African. I don't know if you know this. Wow, my Nigerian princess. Do you wash outside? And do you make fufu on the fire stove outside? I'm not African. I don't know how to make fufu. Wow, I was very disappointed. You know, I really was thinking about having this gorgeous, strong African beauty princess who could, you know, cook me nice dinners and fufu. I don't know how to make fufu because I'm not African. I'm a Jamaican. I'm in North America. My continent is not Africa. My continent are not America. So we're Jamaican American-ish. That's why we're the Black American, but not African American. African American more American than Jamaicans. But we in North America. Oh my God, my African beauty, my princess, my goddess, my empress. You are everything to me. Wow. I just love a strong black woman, and I love how she knows her way around the stove and to make fufu. I don't know if I make fufu. I know if I make ackee and saltfish. You want that? I know if I make curry chicken, curry coconut, shrimp, and fucking white rice. You want fucking that? I know how to make oxtail. I know if I make, I don't know if I make fufu. I'm not fucking African. And it's so weird because sometimes white men will talk to me, and when I tell them I'm not African, they're disappointed because apparently I wasn't that black. Them needed me to be blacker, basically. Oh, my Nigerian princess, wow. So I love a Nigerian princess, strong body. Wow. Is both your parents Nigerian goddess? I come from Jamaica. I'm sorry for disappoint you. God. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer. So something about your mother. I don't know what about your mother. I don't know who your mother tell people say you come from. Your mother tell people say you come from Venezuela. Let's go ahead and go into the fucking reading. Okay. What do you think about all this fuckery? About the foo-foo? What do you think about foo? Oh my God, my Nigerian princess. You are everything to me. You are African beauty as its finest. I can't wait to just see you. Can I have a picture of the bottom half just to know that your body comes from Africa? Sir, this is nowhere on this is African. You see any African here? Nothing is African about this. This had to be Jamaican. This had to be the fucking the yellow, the fucking green, and the black. It would not this body not originated from Africa. If it did originated from Africa, I could have hold Africa on my ass. I can't even hold a fucking utensil on my ass to go and slip right the fuck down. Anyways, let's just go ahead and go into your reading. What do you want to know, Cancer? What do you want to know? We have the 8 of Wands. I'm getting you want to call somebody? Obviously, you want to know something. That's the reason why you're reaching out to them. So I'm getting 8 of Wands is communication. You want to speak to somebody, Cancer. What do they think? Okay, so you think that you and somebody need to have a conversation. I don't see the conversation happening in person. So maybe it's happening online or you're arranging for it to happen in person. What do they think? 7 of, they are working. We're getting somebody don't have time. Or you call them not. I'm calling, you're not answer. I'm getting a calling and they're not answering. They're at work or they're busy with work. Something like that. So you're free when somebody else is busy, basically. What do you feel? The 5 of Wands, yeah. I'm getting a call somebody while them there work for custom. So you can stress them out. All of these, do not do that. Remember, I used to work, I used to have man problem. Jesus Christ, me there work a ball out my blood clot eye. Balling out my fucking eye. I would just leave work. I won't lie. If me have man problem in the past, so I'm little, like 20, 21, and my man a blood clot stressed me out. At that time I was living with my man. I can't bother me. I going for the blood clot day. I can't be stressed in and giving people medication. That was crazy. Obviously I learned to harness my emotions more. So now I know even if there's a debt, I still have to show up to work. We'll send them an email. Maybe an email will be sufficient. So yeah, call for cuss and scream. Maybe you're accusing someone of cheating on you. I'm getting this person's at work. So let me see what they feel. You feel like cussing. Like telling someone how you feel. Make them know what they did to hurt you. But I'm getting someone's on the job. They don't have time for even listen to you cussing them. Yeah, Page of Swords. I'm getting something online. So somebody they at work, but you're seeing them activities online. Like, oh, this 7 of Pentacles just liked Deep Throat Miranda's picture. Me getting you see for them activity online, and that's why I call them for custom. But me getting them message them, I'm at work. What are you see? I'm at work. No, the fuck you're not. Or me getting you working on your next. You working on your next. That's what you're fucking doing, right? Let's see what your sexual feelings are. 10 of Pentacles. Me getting you want money. So you call the man and a custom man for money, or you custom about him family. 10 of Pentacles is family. Something about you're in an argument with someone's family over money. Or somebody's family in an argument with you because there's money that's rightfully yours, but the family don't want to give you. Let's see what their sexual feelings is. So there's no sex here. So I'm getting, I don't know if you and a family or your boyfriend is arguing over money. You call him for tell him, but I don't know if you tell him about bills. I don't know if you call him for tell him say you get money and it's starting an argument. But me getting when I fight over family money, when I fighting over this money. No, me getting the person who you're, me getting the subject, they're at work and they're looking out for pay, for money. Maybe somebody keep a check them online account to see if the money come in, the money don't come in. So maybe I wait on your ex to get paid so your ex can send you money. Me getting your ex don't get paid, him I wait for money too. So you're stressing him out about money, but you're stressing him out about 10 of Pentacles. Him only have 8. So I don't know if you're thinking about more money than him do have, or he told you he make more than he does, or me getting you dealing with somebody who don't have a lot of money. Them don't have enough money. They are the 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. So, me don't know what you want. You want 10 of Pentacles, that is not the man you deal with. That's not the woman you're dealing with. So, I'm getting, in this relationship, it seems like you are insecure or the girl that asks for money. Me getting money is not something you can provide for her. Me getting you can spend money. You can spend 7 and 8 of Pentacles, but you can't spend 10. So I'm getting Aphrodite is a gold digger, basically, something like that. Not a gold digger. I have no problem with women who wants to be gold diggers. Sweetie, that's okay. Some man are rape. So you can be a gold digger, that's okay, right? No problem. Some man a scam girl. Tinder swindler. You can be a gold digger. At least you're honest about your goals in life. Therefore, any man you deal with them know what it is. He knew what it was, right? Him now say, oh, this girl was everything I wanted, and all of a sudden, this bitch asked me to pay her phone bill, and I was like, gold digger. Let's see what where is this going though? So I'm getting somebody call you a fight over money, or money where you're not give her yet. Money what you don't have. You don't even have this money, because this is 10 of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles again. Me getting you give her the money. I don't know if you say your ex-wife, because this look like big money, like alimony. So I'm getting you being called that you need to make the first payment. You need to make the first payment to this woman before the woman call you, or I'm getting the people that are calling and tell you say you need to make the first payment. I'm getting you're going to make the first payment, but to be very honest, you don't really have a lot of money. You have 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. So it's either you talk to this woman who she don't care, she don't believe that you're broke, or I'm getting, I don't know what kind of demon cocky woman your blood clot. Demon say woman your blood clot take up. I see a couple, I was outside in the back yesterday, and I see one man and woman come to me, and both of them homeless, and them say, is there any beds here? And I tell them, no, you have to go Peter Street, and them say, okay. And I thinking in my head, I say, first of all, if them got a shelter, them gonna split up these two people, because him is a man and she's a woman, but they're a couple. Me homeless, I see couples stay together. That's how I know, say, a vanity is hatred, a racism, and all of these things. It broke up my situation, or broke up situations in the past. Even before I came here, relationships I have been in Jamaica, that's how I know say I either foreplay broke it up or a fucker broke it up. I see couples here homeless and they're together. Both of them I keep each other warm on sidewalk. Them not cuss about money. Them not cuss about, oh, you never buy me this for Valentine's Day. They're not cussing about, oh, you did. No. So you scared of a girl because the girl a beg of things and you think the girl a gold digger. You have couples who are homeless together, who are sleeping on sidewalks together. If them get a cigarette, them have brought the cigarettes in half and share it with each other. But you can't get over your ego, because apparently you think you're somebody in life because you have a job. You think you're Hitler had a job too. Hitler was rich. So you think you're somebody in life because you have blood clot, job, and money. Okay, that's fine. But all I'm telling you, job and money will never get your blood clot nowhere in your spiritual journey. So you will have that job and money and you depress the whole of your blood clot life. You can't come and you can't find nothing that make you happy. There's homeless couples together. And the first thing I say when them walk up, I say if she go Peter Street, they might split them up. The man and or them will say no, don't split we up, send me to a shelter or co-ed. That is love. That is love. You can't tell me say that's not love. As bad as both of them did smell, as them never look good, them never even eat. They had loyalty to each other. And that's loyalty. That homeless couple was loyal to each other more than working class people who got married. I tell you, a man's loyalty is tested when he has everything. And a woman's loyalty is tested when she have nothing. Remember that. That's why them tell you say, oh, that's why they won't give you the whole Cinderella story, or they give you the story about pretty woman walking down the street of women in fucked up situations, but wealthy men rescuing the woman. Because that is the law. If you is a man and you're wealthy, there's nothing wrong. If you're so-called dead weight or you rescue a woman who not doing well than you. That's why they had these fantasy movies in Hollywood about the prostitute Julia Roberts, the prostitute. She did end up meet the guy, and the guy did take her for 6 nights in the hotel, and then him did there with her, turn her into his wife, and she was rich happily ever after, right? Because a woman's loyalty is tested when she have nothing. When Cinderella sweep for her blood clot sister them, when Julia Roberts were prostituted her out in the fucking streets, yeah, she not have nothing. That's when her loyalty is tested. That's when you know she on crack, she fucking meant for money, what she do for her day-to-day activities. A man's loyalty is tested when he has everything. Because if he has nothing, he will only take from the woman. And if he have everything, he have all options. What was that option for making Julia Roberts spend 4 nights in a hotel with him and PR how much? $3,000 in PR for 4 blood clot nights in a hotel with him. He had everything. But still his loyalty was to the woman who had nothing. Because the woman who had nothing was loyal to him. So let that be a lesson that unfortunately your racist or too stuck up religious grandparents did not teach you. I have learned so much lessons being homeless. It's crazy. I have learned lessons that I could never learn if I had a job. And I'm so thankful that I have got the opportunity to learn, to go through that pilgrimage. Only can call it homelessness. I call it pilgrimage. Homelessness teach me so much lessons, man. I say gay couple stick together. 2 of them gay stick together. Them not separate from each other. Them dep on the street 3 days. Them not separate. They have nothing. So tell me why you're scared of talking to that girl again. Tell me why you're insecure because you don't make 6 figures again. Okay, but you still can't find a bitch loyalty. You don't. Because loyalty comes from within. It does not come with money or with things. Just like our mother is loyal to her baby, knowing that her baby cannot give her back the money she's spending. That is love. I trusted the wrong person. Celebrity. We got the internet. We got the Empress. And we got profits. Until next time, bye.